Hi, my name is Nicole. I'm the Chief Executive Officer and majority owner of Fortune Title Agency. We're a title insurance company. And about 2 years ago, I want to say, I had met Vince and I was on a legacy phone system that was working, but also not really doing me any favors. Vince and TeleCloud brought us to a whole new world with IP phones, a much better answering service, the ability to work from home. So my company is located in Roseland, New Jersey, and we had a lot of desks that needed to be managed, a lot of new phone systems installed, and it was very important for me to have somebody to come on site and really assist my team with this transition and with the implementation of the new phone system. And TeleCloud was amazing. They came on, they made sure everything transitioned successfully. They personally trained my staff, made sure we had a clear understanding on how to use the new systems. I now have a few joint ventures, a few other companies that I manage through the same phone system because I'm utilizing the same staff. So with this system, my clients are able to call into unique numbers and the phone system identifies which company that number is from, alerts us as to which company is being called, and helps us manage that workflow, which is amazing. So they're a very integral part of my operations now and in my future growth with the company.